Hey there, David from iOS Dev School here. In this course, we are going to build an online shop application, which is going to allow our users to shop online, and the shop will be like one owner shop. So the idea is one person or one company is selling the product and other users can purchase it. It's something like Joom or Amazon. It's close to eBay, but on eBay, other users can post their products as well. However, in our code, we are going to integrate the part that every user can create something for sale. But the thing is, the payment method is designed the way that only one receiver can receive. So like the company that owns the online magazine. So let me demonstrate you how the final version of application looks. So as you can see, we have our application here with 4 tabs: category, search, basket, and profile. Under category, I have created some default categories which are mainly used on online stores. So once you select some category that you are interested in, it will load all the items under this specific category. It will have some picture, short description, and the price. And once you click on it, it will take you to the item view where you can have an image, a title, a price, and some description which can be longer. You can add other items if you want to the specific item, like if there are any reviews, how many items are on the store, stock, etc. But as you can see here, there is a button that it will allow us to add this sofa to our basket. And same thing goes with the other item. So if I click on the basket item, add basket, it will add the item to my basket. But in order for that to work, your user has to be logged in. Also here we have this add item button. This is what I was referring to, that every user can add item. The code is there, but just for our purpose to put some items into our shop. But you can modernize this just to have every user can upload some items for sale. In case if there are multiple pictures in the item, you can just scroll around and you will see all the images of the item. Also, whenever you enter a specific category and there are no items under this category, we are displaying an empty table image, so the user sees some kind of information, not just empty place. Under the search, if you click the button here, this will search for some text. So if I search, for example, sofa, click search, and it brings 2 things here. Since Firebase doesn't really work good with searching, we are integrating Algolia with our Firebase so that it allows us to search better. With Algolia, we can search specific words even in the description, not only the title or like price or something. So Algolia allows us to search better with our items. Then we have our basket. And whenever you open your basket, it gets updated. So I had one sofa, and now another one we just added is in my basket here. It shows the total number of items and the total price of my basket. And I can actually delete something from here, and it will also update my basket. Or I can go and check out, which will take me to the PayPal page. But since I'm on a simulator here, it doesn't work. I will show you, demonstrate this on a device. But basically, you just log in with your PayPal and click pay. It's a standard procedure there. And once you pay, this item is saved in your purchase history. So under profile, you can see that our account is active, which means that our user has confirmed his email address. Whenever our user is registering, we send an email address confirmation link. Otherwise, he cannot purchase anything. Or if our user has purchased something, we can check the purchase history, and the specific user here has purchased all these items. Also, we have an edit profile, which I can see the information about the user, the address where to ship. We can change the email, or we can log out. When the user is logged out, you can see the status here, log out. The purchase history is of course not available. The basket, we can search, we can do whatever we can with logged in user. But for example, if I want to add something to my basket, let's say this thing again, it will ask me to log in to my application first before I can add it to my basket. So this is the application. If you are excited to build this, you can subscribe to our course, and I promise we are going to have fun building the application together. So if you like it, see you in the class where we can start building this application.